was a pedestrian fatal accident at the Winter Road exit 435. I've come to the closest place I could get, and it's not very close, but way the heck out there. Matter of fact, I'm getting kind of low res with my video because it's dark and can't zoom that far. We're doing our best to get it. We have a tornado warning in our area. This is between coming between Topeka and Lawrence. This storm produced a tornado about 4:15 this morning down around where I don't have that turned on. Down around Eureka, Kansas. And we are right here. The tornado warning is to our west. It should miss us if it's continuing the way it's going, but keeping an eye on it. I'm not seeing anything super strong in here. Rotation is probably right in there. But quite interesting. Well, let me tell you, today turned into a storm chase. We are up at what used to be called the Ferris truck stop, but now it's been taken over by Pilot. Oh. And I know that the people that used to run the truck stop here wanted to retire, and they had been warning for some time that they would be shutting down. So now it's a Pilot. But the good news is, although you can't see it, and I can't zoom with this camera, the famous Ferris truck stop sign, which is an actual 18-wheeler that they put on a pole as a sign. It's a famous landmark around here, is still there. And but other than that, we're doing storm chasing. And there's a storm, this big ugly blob here had produced some tornadoes, but now it's looking very disorganized, and we're just kind of sitting here for a little bit to see if it will reform itself once it gets past the metro area, because storms don't like metropolitan areas. Heat island effect. And my phone is the talent cam, which is going into the switcher here, which is being broadcast out by the TVU here. You can switch back and forth. There's talent, there's the front camera, and I'm using my what is that, X700 as the front camera. And the winds are really blowing. I'm getting some really heavy gusts. It's rocking the car. But we'll just hang out here for a bit. I have to go home and take Luke to his eye doctor, and Marlon, the reporter, you can see the stuff blowing around out there. He has a shoot scheduled, so we're getting ready to turn around and head back. Hey, how you doing? We are under a severe thunderstorm warning. I'm running the switcher today. Woo-hoo. Oh, I can see it. Wow. I'd like to show the radar, but the phone I'm using is my camera. And I probably better concentrate on the road. Oh, the light is back. It was blinking. This cord I'm using is really, really bad. Bad connection. So it's lightening up. That was not very fast. There, that's better. overexposed. That's the Blackmagic app I'm using as a camera, and the disadvantage is the automatic function doesn't work very well, but it does look pretty good. Am I still recording? Yeah, I can't go left anymore. Oh, I can see blue sky over there. That was really quick. It's a very small, thin line. Alright, thank you. You can't go left anymore because they have Cleaver and Broadway, a very major intersection blocked for I don't know how long. See, I'm very happy about it. I got the wobbly cam. Can't do that. Can't record there. It'll, for whatever reason, the camera, when you record, it won't send video through the HDMI port. It won't send video out. So, yeah. Thing tumped over and it didn't knock it off this time. I spoke too soon. There's a tornado warning up by Smithville. And does that mean there's a tornado? Here it's clearing out. This weather is not being very predictable, which I've had experience with days like this where the weather just doesn't cooperate. But yeah, tornado warning, Smithville. That's that lousy ass cord. Yeah, this stuff never happens when it's convenient for me. I'm so tired. Oh, check the cord out, throw it out the window. It's ridiculous. I don't know if this is visible, but there's definitely a lowering of the cloud base to our north and east. And I know you can see for a long ways. We still have a tornado warning up north. There's no longer a tornado warning. It just disappeared with severe thunderstorm warning, which you can see where I'm at and where it's at. I'm southwest side of all this, where it's clearing out. This is what it looks like in North Kansas City, and I'm fighting endless red lights. Don't get me started. I'm around Clay Como coming into Liberty. Things are getting interesting. So, before I have to run my errand, I'm doing just a little bit of a chase. Because I don't want to regret going home and then finding out that I've been caught off guard, which I pretty much have. But I'm going to say that it looks like it might be trying to cycle. And it produced a tornado warning. I don't know if it produced a tornado. I don't see any indication of that. But I don't know if I have that turned on this app. But it produced a tornado warning up north. And I think it's trying to down south by the looks of these storms. I'm seeing definite lowering of the base and clear slot and all the signs. And now I'm driving into the rain. I'm going to go up here to Liberty and then turn on 152 and head home. just a little ways. Now you see that in the top right corner of the screen. That's, I think, a clear slot. It could just be a clearing. It's kind of hard to tell. But I've seen striations in the clouds, you know, the kind of the stacked plates looking things, or some people call them the flying saucer, the mothership. And that's a sign of rotation. And, you know, of course, everybody's, their brother's got to be out driving and driving crappily. So I'm here in Liberty, and if anything develops east of me, I tried. But, you know, like I say, I've said before, it's never convenient. It's always when I'm in the middle of my night or when I have to run a million errands. But, and of course, you know, the municipalities around here, yeah, don't get me started on the traffic lights. But, as far as I can tell, that's the switcher. I'm not really seeing rotation couplets so much. It's like more of a linear straight line winds kind of deal. But there's little areas that might rotate, and I think that's what it picked up on. It may have been something huge, who knows. It's definitely trying to do something. But, this is what it looks like in Liberty. I'm heading west, and it's clearing. I'm heading west on 152.